All right, now we are continuing with types of questions. Now we are going to questions where they ask you to use the formula, the electrostatic force equals to K Q1 times Q2. You can even use capital letter Q's, there's no problem, divided by the R squared. Now, the first type of question they give you, they can give you electrons, only two. They start with two normally. Most of the time, they love to start with the two of those ones. So I'm going to make those two. I'm going to put one there, and I'm going to put the other one on the other side there. You might find that one of them, this one, let's say it's a positive, and then this one, it's a negative, and then they give you a distance between them. Remember, distance must be in meters. All right. If it's milli, you divide it by 1,000. Am I right? If it's centi, you divide it by 100. This is how you remember. Watch now. If you give me 10 millimeter, and then you also gave me 10 centimeter. All right. And you know you must divide. That's all you need to do. You divide. You see the yellow M is the meter. The white one, M, and the white Z. Those are numbers. Now, I want you to look at the M. This M here. The one, the milli. This one, I'm making it big. Do you see that? How many legs does it have? Look, this is a leg. This is a leg. This is a leg. How many legs are there? 3. 1,000 has 3 zeros. That's what I remember. So I divide with 1 and 3 zeros. Yeah? Then my answer will become meters. You good, ne? All right. Then again, I look at that C. I magnify it. I turn it upside down. How many legs that the C has now? 2. Then I use a 1 with 2 zeros. That's how I remember. I divide by 100. Then the answer will be in meters. Rishabh, ne? Okay, so I was just helping you to remember when they give you the distance in not in meters, then you can have whatever. So they'll give you the distance. Let's say maybe it was 0.5 meters, and then they give you charge A there. Here it's charge B, and then let's make B. We can use the previous one we had. We make this one, it's minus 4 coulomb, and then the other one here, it will be a positive 14 coulomb. Now, what you do, you want to indicate the forces. Yeah, it's actually a force, but you see them showing two forces. All right? Because remember, these are unlike charges. What will they do? Attract each other. Am I right? So that means there'll be a force in that direction, a force in that direction. I get it? But this force on the left, I want you to hear me. The one on the left, it is the force by B on A. B, it's pulling A to itself. But this one on the right, though it's attached to B, it is a force by A on B. We good, ne? All right, good. So when they ask me a question, they must ask me, determine the electrostatic force or the resultant force on A due to B, because of B. I get it? Yeah. So when they do that, normally we do this. I indicate this force here. And I say, okay, that is the force by B. So normally we can say F by B on A, BA. So actually, it's better to write it like F by B on A. Hey, when I say by B, it's like Bona magazine, B-O-N-A. Can you see? This spells like Bona magazine. Let's continue in the next one.